Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the DualShock 4. Charge it and have a USB-C cable ready. If you prefer wireless, enable PC Bluetooth and put the controller in pairing mode by holding Share plus PS until the light flashes. Plugging in via USB is faster and avoids pairing issues. It also lets Steam detect the controller immediately. Once done, make sure Steam is updated to the latest version so the built-in controller support recognizes the device. Now open Steam Big Picture to configure input. Go to Controller Settings and enable PlayStation configuration support so Steam shows PlayStation prompts and lets you remap. Once enabled, Steam will list the DualShock 4, select it and choose a template or edit the layout. You should test face buttons, sticks, triggers, and gyro, adjust dead zones and sensitivity to remove drift. If a game lacks native support, use the Steam input action, set to force your custom. Finish by launching the game from Steam so your profile loads and prompts appear correctly. If a specific game ignores the controller, open the game's controller configuration and assign bindings or switch to a different template. Make sure Steam input is set to force on for stubborn titles. Troubleshooting tip: if the controller behaves oddly, reconnect via USB first, repair the Bluetooth, and only then install DS4 Windows for advanced remapping. This resolves most driver and mapping conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.